one of my favorite toys, sort of like a 52 car pickup or one of those spring-loaded little metal jumping toys that you got from like the 1950s, is these really cheap remotes with these little slip discs in here, because all you have to do is do that and then they just come apart, and that's just like a lot of fun. So another fun thing that you can do with this remote is read the IR code on it using one of these transistor testers / LCR meters. And if you see here, all you have to do is press this. This is the IR reader. The command codes for different values, like 4. You kind of have to be pointing directly at this, but you can switch and then you can see different values for the command codes. So same address code, different command codes.